Kung papaya address came to record page to news ABS-CBN News.
Isang mabuting tao po sa dito. Ako siya. Kailangan mo lang talaga magtiwala sa ano.
His future is white for 2025.
Edwin Santos, please make your way on the stage. And Mr. Ed Selty, please join us on stage.
team. Thank you, Al, for letting us use such an important venue, such a historical venue, the family, for all the companies. You really could have used every single one of you guys. And of course, to the new 2025 calendar, just creators. So thank you again. We dedicate this year to you. And that's why. Thank you, everyone.
Kapuso. Second, competition.
What was your initial reaction when you found out that you have been chosen as the calendar for Alright, first of all, good evening everyone. Thank you for being here tonight. I am Kim Chu and I'm your Tanduay Calendar Girl 2020. I'm shocked and I asked myself if I'm ready to do this. Kasi syempre, a lot of people know me since Big Brother house. So I grew up in front of everyone's eye. Not naman everyone siguro, pero most of the people. So they've known me and I grew up in front of their eyes. And I think it's about time na rin for me to do this. And I feel empowered, actually. I feel grateful to be the Tanduay Calendar Girl 2025. Kasi I feel like this is such a powerful moment for me. And this is a milestone I never thought early on my career days. Pero I believe that this is a testament of how much I've grown and how far I've come. Not only as an artist, as an individual, but most especially as a woman. you describe Aura for you? How would you describe it? Aura is, para sa akin, it's a celebration of individuality and authenticity, I think. Kasi we all have different types of beauty, we all have different types of confidence, and lahat naman tayo, we all have our own struggles that we hide. And it exudes sa confidence natin. And for me kasi, yung pagiging resilient is a number one for me. Kasi no matter what life throws you, you end up standing up. So I'm here, despite all the challenges that I face. I'm here in front of everyone else, smiling, standing, as you're a joy kind of girl. So yan, isa na sa mga bagay na I never thought I would be doing this here. Kaya this is such a big step for me, and I'm very proud to be here in front of you. And that's my Aura. Strong Aura. Sobrang people na siya na Victoria's Secret dito. Akala ko talaga Victoria's Secret model ako, but I'm proud to get that my model. Sabi ko, hindi ako masasal if I'm a woman. No, we all have different types of explanation of what a woman is, and that's who I am. I want to just enjoy every step of my journey that I'm experiencing right now. And I'm very lucky to experience all this sa buhay ko, sa career ko, and with everything that's happening to me right now. Thank you so much. Oh, beautiful, Kim. Super deserved. All the best, Kim. So beautiful. It's so beautiful to look at us. Beautiful. You are beautiful, too. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Joe. Beautiful. Okay. For the third question, can I please call on Miss Kathleen Duo from Chinoy TV. Hi, Miss Kathleen. Hello, Miss Kim. Share with us paano mo nagkatama. And is there any memorable moment when you were this? Actually, if you follow me on my Instagram account, I always work out. Parang physically, kasi parang endorphin siya. Parang it makes me happy, it pumps up my day. But more than the physical paghahanda, it's more on the mental readiness that I'll be facing. Lalo na ng Victoria namin. Yung first suot ko ng damit na yung blue. Pero oh my God, am I really doing this? Am I a woman now? So, yun. So, more than physical, I really prepared my mental readiness if I am really ready to do this. Pero I'm very much ready naman, and here I am now with mga pictures, photos, and all. And I'm very happy with the outcome and how it went, and then what's the result. Sobrang worth it. Kaya thank you so much, the Joy, for the trust. Thank you, Miss Kathleen. Nakita naman sa Kathleen, yung pag-prepare yun, yung color blue. Yung color just wow, kinabahan ka siya. Yes, I am super nervous, pero mentally ready na ako kasi 2 or 3 months I prepare for that photo shoot. So thank you to my team for taking care of me and for modeling.